So, you thought you were ready for tax season? Think again. Just kidding. Mostly. But seriously, your first year as a tax preparer is going to throw some curveballs. In this video, we're sharing some of the common pitfalls and hilarious moments that you might encounter so that you can learn from our mistakes and maybe avoid a few of your own. Welcome to Tax Help for Tax Pros, where pros go to be in the know. Now, real quick before we begin, this video will go over what to expect in your first tax season. But if you want to know the 7 mistakes new tax pros make, then check out the description of this video and then go and grab your free download that talks about just that. Okay, so let's start with talking about performance and efficiency. First up, speed. You are not going to be fast your first season. Matter of fact, you could be nervous throughout the first half of it. Speed comes with experience. In your first season, focus on accuracy and understanding the process thoroughly. Don't worry about being super fast or keeping up with seasoned preparers. Each return is a learning opportunity for you. Software and technology. Getting comfortable with the tax software is crucial. There might be some initial fumbling as you learn the ins and outs, shortcuts, and features. Take advantage of training resources and practice with sample returns. And then there's research. You'll likely encounter situations where you'll need to look up a specific tax law or regulation. And this is perfectly normal, especially in your first year. Familiarize yourself with reliable resources like the IRS's website and resource guides such as the Tax Book and Quick Finder. Now, moving on to operational aspects. Supplies and organization. Being prepared with supplies is essential for a smooth workflow. This includes having enough folders, paper, ink, and a reliable computer and printer. A well-organized workspace can significantly improve your efficiency. I remember when my very first tax client came to the office way back in 2012. I was scared opening the door, nervous during most of the appointment, and then realized that I didn't even have a folder to put his tax return into once I printed it out for him. Talk about not being prepared. Now we rock out with this fancy smancy folders like this. Look who's all grown up now. Client management. Dealing with clients can be a learning curve. You'll need to develop good communication skills, learn to manage expectations, and handle potentially stressful situations. And then there's time management. Tax season is known for its long hours and tight deadlines. Effective time management is crucial to avoid burnout and ensure timely filing of all of the tax returns for all of your clients, okay? So now let's talk about business and financial considerations, revenue projections. It's common for actual revenue to differ from initial projections in your first year. Factors like client acquisition and pricing strategies and the complexity of returns can all impact your income. I remember my first tax season, we had like 50 clients and we did like $13,000 in revenue. And I was so mad. But things are different now. So just remember that it often takes twice as much startup capital and time to hit your goals versus what people initially planned for. Now, marketing and client acquisition. Building a client base takes time and effort. You might need to invest in marketing and networking activities to attract clients. And if you want to know some ways to market your tax biz, then make sure you check out this playlist. Expenses. Don't forget to account for expenses like software fees, office supplies, marketing costs, and continuing education. Oh yeah, did I say supplies? Like for real. Please, don't forget to get some folders for your clients and their tax returns. Go to your local office store, pick up a pack of 15 folders of your color of choice, and then you are good to go. Other potential challenges. Keeping up with changes. Tax laws and regulations can change frequently. Staying updated on these changes is crucial for accurate return preparation. To that end, make sure you frequently visit the IRS newsroom during tax season, as well as subscribe to e-news for tax professionals. That way you can get emails directly from the IRS when breaking news or changes are announced. Handling stress. Tax season can be stressful due to the workload and deadlines. It's important to find healthy ways to manage stress and avoid burnout. For me, I make sure that I take a 20-minute break during lunchtime and then go for a walk around the block. I would take longer, but 1, we're here in Chicago, so tax season can be cold, and 2, time is money, so I can't be resting around too long, when every completed return means money in the bank. Dealing with difficult clients. You might encounter clients who are demanding, unprepared, or have unrealistic expectations. Developing a strategy to handle these situations is important. Now, if you want to know my 6 tips to slay your first tax season, then make sure you go and check out this video. And if you're looking for ways to get trained on how to do taxes, then make sure you check out this video. In it, my good friend Andy Frye over at Pronto Tax is even giving our viewers a discount on some of their training courses. So make sure you go and check that out. Now, if you like this video and you got some value from it, then please consider giving it a thumbs up, or you can say thanks by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description below, and the extra coins go towards helping us make future videos and pay for things like gear and props. And as always, until we meet again, remember, tax help for tax pros, where pros go to be in the know.